The world marked the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. The government rolled out the Accessible India campaign. This campaign aims to make 50 major cities more accessible to the specially abled, besides other targets. On the occasion, the government honoured outstanding persons with disabilities, individuals and organisations working for their empowerment.
According to the World Health Organization, 15% of the global population are specially abled. In India, as per the 2011 census, they number over 2,68 lakh or nearly 2.2% of the country's population. Every year, 3rd December is marked as International Day of Persons with Disabilities with the aim of empowering them by enhancing their accessibility and integrating them into the mainstream. To achieve universal accessibility for the specially abled, the government launched Accessible India campaign or Sugamya Bharat Abhiyan on Thursday. While Prime Minister Narendra Modi was slated to roll out the campaign, since he was away to rain-battle Tamil Nadu, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley stepped in on his behalf. He read out a message from the Prime Minister for the specially abled.
ये अभियान सच्चे अर्थ में विकलांगजनों के लिए फिजिकल अथवा वर्चुअल सभी तरह के अधोसंरचना को परिवर्तित कर उसे सुगमय एवं समावेशी बनाने का लक्ष्य रखता है.
Sharing the Prime Minister's thoughts, Mr. Jaitley said that he is for making smart cities fully accessible for persons with disabilities and wants the centre and the states to combine their efforts to make Sugam Bharat Abhiyan successful. One of the PM's suggestions was to consider replacing the word Viklang with Divyang.
मैं चाहूंगा कि यहाँ एकत्रित सभी आज इस बारे में भी सोचें कि क्या विकलांग शब्द की जगह दिव्यांग शब्द का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं. मेरी राय में शब्द अहम है और इससे हम एटीट्यूड में बदलाव ला सकते हैं.
The Union Minister conferred 52 national awards on outstanding persons with disabilities, individuals and organizations that are working for the empowerment of persons with disabilities. He advocated making accessibility for persons with disabilities to all infrastructure and activities one of the parameters of development. Targets set by the government under the Accessible India campaign are at least 50% of all government buildings in the national capital and all state capitals are to be made fully accessible for persons with disabilities by July 2018. All international airports in the country and major railway stations are to be made fully accessible for them by July 2016. At least 10% of government-owned public transport carriers in the country are to be converted into fully accessible carriers by March 2018. And at least 50% of all public documents issued by the centre and state governments are to meet accessibility standards for persons with disabilities by March 2018. India's first International Film Festival for Persons with Disabilities, a 3-day film fest, concluded at the Shri Fort Auditorium in the national capital on Thursday with an award ceremony to honour film personalities and films related to the lives of the specially abled. The festival saw the screening of 40 feature films, documentary films and short films, while popular films like Bajrangi Bhaijaan and Margarita with a Straw were showcased in the non-competitive section. At the closing ceremony, Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore lauded the initiative, saying films inspire people. He revealed how, while preparing for the Olympics, he would at times draw inspiration from such narratives.
जो स्पेशल एबिलिटीज़ के ऊपर जो फिल्में बनती हैं उसमें कई पहलू सामने आते हैं. एक उसमें से आता है कि आत्मबल और आत्मशक्ति से इंसान क्या नहीं कर सकता. ये जो फिजिकल जो लिमिटेशंस हैं ये पीछे रह जाती हैं.
The specially abled have left their mark in all walks of life. An enabling environment for them would meet justice for their can-do spirit and even more laurels for an economically and socially vibrant India. With Nishant Saurabh and Jaya Sinha, Newsnight Desk, DD News.